Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss: how to block users on Telegram. Whether it's for personal privacy or to manage your online interactions, blocking can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to block user in Telegram. Open Telegram app. Then click on Settings at bottom right corner. Next click on Privacy and Security. Click on Blocked Users. Next click on Block User to add user from your contact list. Then select the user to whom you want to block. For demonstration, I am blocking one of the user from this list. For unblocking, click on Edit. Next click on minus icon next to user and then click on Unblock. In this way we can block and unblock user in Telegram. When you block a user on Telegram, they are unable to send you new messages, and you won't receive any messages or calls from them. Additionally, they cannot view your online status or see any changes to your profile picture. This much for today. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.